Because we are not just going to be staying here. We are going to switch over and go to the lake today. So, oh, we got one. He's jumping. Phew. Pretty big one too, guys. Oh no, he's not big. He's fairly small. Yeah, a little small little bass. Not the biggest. Not the biggest of guys. Yeah, I felt him tug on it. That's when I knew I had one. Alright, let's give him a quick release. Show you guys. This little baby right here. Nothing severely too crazy, but a little small largy. Sorry if I'm missing the angle. It's nice belly on him. Not that long. Alright. It's a pretty good one on the Chatterdon boys. Yeah, nice little bass right here. Phew. He's wiggling. Got him on the Googan Squad Chatterdon combo. We gotta give him a quick release here because starting to drift off course. I'll pop that hook out. This is a nice little bass we caught right here, guys. Nice mouth on him. Let him go. Do a little 360 spin before we let him go. Alright guys, welcome back to the second clip. We are out on this lake. I caught one already. I had the second one. Oh, there's another one right here. Phew. He's a good one. Solid small little guy right here. And this right here is just like a little honey hole. Pop that out. This is a little largie here, guys. I caught down back in the water. And we're using this little this little ribbon tip.